Hi there, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to do a quick update video on my fabric that I designed in Spoonflower. I did a video previously, and if I remember, I will link it below this video to show you how to create your own designs in Spoonflower and become a fabric designer. So I'm not saying I'm like some awesome big name fabric designer, but you can design your own fabric and you can have a shop on Spoonflower. So that's what I did. I started a shop on Spoonflower so that people can buy the fabric created from my paintings and my artwork. And the video that I created has it's this one right here, how to do it from scratch in paint. So you can create it with you can create your own designs with the shapes in paint, and fill up your store with stuff that you created yourself, or just, you don't even have to be trying to do fabric design. You can just buy this. Like, I thought this would be a really pretty quilt topping in the dollhouse. So I made the hearts really small. And then the other one that I got is this satin one. Oh, I didn't tell you. These are both cotton. Let's see. And isn't it cool how a heart came out? These are both cotton. This is the basic cotton. This is the Kona cotton. There is a big difference. This cotton is see-through. This cotton is barely see-through. And this is pretty thin. This is really thick. But every different weight has their uses, so I'm not going to say one is better than the other. It's just that this one is thicker, this one is thinner. And then this is the satin. Let's see. Oh, they have the wording on the top on that one. So I'm trying to get a swatch of every fabric that they have, and I think that there's 12 or 18. I can't remember last time I counted. But this is a satin, and the satin is really beautiful. This was one of my pour paintings, and then I did the mirror effect so that it would kind of mix in with itself. It's very shiny and it's not thick at all. So the swatches are $5 a piece. After you design one, you have to purchase a swatch to be able to sell that same piece on Spoonflower's website. So these three are up for sale in my shop, and I haven't really promoted it or anything yet because I'd like to build a lot of it, build up a shop before I really start telling people that there's a bunch of stuff on there, just so that they have variety to choose from. But I don't even know what I was getting at, but I really love it. I could just look at this fabric all day long. So you can create fabric for yourself, for your projects, or you can create a shop and sell your fabrics, or you can do both. And on Spoonflower, it's not just fabrics, it's also gift wrap and wallpaper. And the wallpaper swatches are pretty big. So I think that next time I make a design that I'd like, or if I'm going to be doing another Barbie set, if there's something I can't find, with cardstock or something, I might just order the adhesive wallpaper swatch. I think it's like 2 by 3 feet, and it's still only $5. So I know that that's not a great deal compared to going to the store and buying, like, contact paper or something, or adhesive wallpaper, but it's still really cool if I can design it myself. So there it is. There's my update. I hope you guys liked it. See you later. Bye-bye.